Hi. I'm here to talk to you about how to get glowing skin and heal acne, eczema, scarring problems. I know you may have heard it all before. But, eating right is the key to how to get glowing healthy looking skin, and curing other skin problems. Here in this video are a few things you can do at home to having beautiful skin. Eat properly. Eat a healthy balanced food regimen every day. What goes in your body reveals on your skin. That signifies that anything oily, fried, fattening, sugar-stuffed, or chemically processed can make your complexion look oily, pasty, yellow, sallow, and sick. Give your body the right nutrition it needs and your skin will reveal radiant results. Get a good night's sleep. Don't skip on sleep, especially at night time. Your skin needs 8 hours of sleep each night time to look radiant and healthy. Skip the night sleep and you'll find yourself with swollen, puffy eyes, dark eyelids, beneath eye circles, and skin that's uninteresting and drab. Drink lots of water. Drink at least 8 glasses of water every day. Water keeps pores and skin hydrated, moist, and radiant, so be sure you drink at least 8-ounce glasses each day. Carry water with you and sip as you go. Try to cut back, or if possible, try to avoid alcoholic beverages. Do regular exercise. Doing regular exercise every day, it gets the blood flowing and the oxygen circulating. It additionally relaxes your mind. A good exercise is very good for the skin, for it removes toxins in our skin through sweat. Take in some fresh air. Flip off the TV and computer, head outside. Taking in some fresh air, it does your skin good. Fresh air helps rejuvenate the skin and relaxes our senses, which can help improve our skin condition. Avoid too much sun exposure. Be wary of the sun. All the time wear skincare products with sunscreen protection, particularly with an SPF of 30 or more. Use sunblock lotions when you go out most of the time. When it comes to your face, always wear a foundation with sunblock as well to avoid hyperpigmentation caused by heat of the sun. Use skin moisturizer. Always moisturize your skin, especially after washing your face. Moisturizer plays a vital role in our skin. It protects the skin from dryness and aging. Put moisturizer before going to sleep. It relaxes and rejuvenates our skin while we're asleep. Proper skincare is the secret to a beautiful glowing skin. Avoid stress. Stress can cause acne breakouts and fine lines in our face as well. Find a quiet place to relax your mind and remove the stress. Take yoga lesson, breathe deeply, or find a stress management technique that works best for you. Keep your skin clean. Always maintain your skin clean and exfoliate weekly to remove grime. Wash your face with the right skincare products. Use as few cosmetic products as possible, and make sure they are at all times unscented, hypoallergenic, and dermatologist approved. Avoid too much makeup, for it causes skin aging. To help you even further to having beautiful glowing skin every day, I like to recommend you check out Liz Wolfe website Purely Primal Skincare Guide. For more information, click the link below this video today. Hope you found it useful. For more information please click the link in description.